Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, plans to earmark the sum of 50 billion naira for women's economic empowerment in the Niger Delta region in recognition of their immense contributions to the development of their communities. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, made a disclosure when he met with the management of Union Bank of Nigeria PLC recently at the corporate headquarters of the Commission in Port Harcourt.
The economic empowerment of struggling yet industrious women of Nigeria's oil-rich Niger Delta region topped the agenda of discussion at the recent meeting between the leadership of Union Bank Nigeria, led by its Executive Director, South-South Chidi Ileka, and the management of Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) at the corporate headquarters of the Commission in Port Harcourt. The NDDC, under the leadership of its Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, had initiated a public-private partnership model that seeks to engage institutions, development partners, and other government agencies to initiate and execute projects and programs to improve quality of life for collective peace and prosperity in the region. At the center of this initiative is human capital development and empowerment, especially of women struggling to support their families. Dr. Ogbuku noted that the Commission would raise 50 billion naira to help achieve women's empowerment in the region.
These funds are only going to be created through partnership. It must not only be in the area of funding their business. The most important thing is how to enhance the performance of our women and our youths in the Niger Delta.
For his part, the regional head of Union Bank of Nigeria described the NDDC as a worthy partner.
We decided to come and be a partner and to make this program work because empowering our women is empowering the nation. Dr.
Ogbuku also revealed that the Commission would use the expertise of Niger Delta Chamber of Commerce in building a database that would ensure transparency and credibility in the process of implementing the Women's Empowerment Program.
The Chamber of Commerce is going to build a database for Niger Delta entrepreneurs, and these entrepreneurs include both women and youths, so that we always meet them at the point of which they need specific support.
The Women's Economic Empowerment Program, proposed by the NDDC, is generally viewed as a welcome development in the Niger Delta. This is because women who predominate in fishing and farming activities account for the highest number of persons dislocated from their means of livelihood in several communities ravaged by environmental degradation over the years. The proposed empowerment program is expected to engage women meaningfully to restore their lost livelihoods in the Niger Delta.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,